Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi
Alaikum
wassalatu
assalam.
wassalam. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. So we are going to start our first session, which is of grammar. Yesterday, just let us in first couple of minutes, we have to revise some previous concepts. So Brother Javed Rasul, would you just please properties of ism?
There are four properties of ism:
Yes.
number, gender, status, and
Type.
type and status.
Say again, Javed bhai, so that everybody should listen, please.
Number, gender, type, and status.
And what about what do we say in Arabic? Number, adad?
Adad, qism, no. Jins.
Gender.
Adad, jins, qism,
Yeah.
qism,
Qisam and Arab.
Arab.
Can you please say again?
Adad,
Yes.
adad, qism, no.
Yeah, no problem. Adad, jins,
qism, and Arab.
yeah, adad,
jins, qism, and Arab.
And in English?
Number, gender, type, and status.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Javed bhai. Hamid bhai, properties of ism, first in English and then in Arabic, please.
Assalamu alaikum. I was not in yesterday, so
this is not yesterday lecture. Okay. I am telling you, I will not ask from yesterday's class.
Okay.
Properties of ism.
It can be.
How many properties? First, how many properties of ism? This is not a test. Just we are revising.
Okay, no.
We forget actually sometimes. Yeah, there are four properties of ism. Number one.
Okay.
It's number,
other, gender, and
qism.
Ism as itself. Okay, then now we're talking about the ism.
And the last status, Arab.
Status.
So in English, number, gender.
Number, gender, noun,
type.
Noun and type.
Type, and the last is status. Again, number, gender, type, and status. Can you say again for these four properties?
Number, gender, type, and status.
Okay, thank you. Ayan.
Yes.
Type. How many types, Ayan?
There are three types.
Allahu Akbar. Just say it. Okay. Say it.
Okay, there are four types of ism.
Okay, say what are four types?
Adad, jins, qism,
this is not type. Yeah, Ayan. Question. Please focus on the question, Ayan. First question was how many properties of ism. I did not ask you anything about that. I just asked you how many types. How many? There is one properties of ism is type, qism. How many qism? How many types? How many? Two types. Okay. What are those?
Singular and
singular. Is it qism?
No.
Buraq.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. There are two types of qism or type. What are those?
Heavy and light.
No. I am talking about qism.
Oh, ism.
Qism.
Qism.
Yeah, what are those?
Common noun and proper noun.
Okay, Ja'far.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Ja'far, how many properties of ism?
4.
Name, say it.
Number, gender, type, and status.
Status. How many types? Type of One type you said that the one property is type. How many?
Two
Name them.
common noun and proper noun.
What do we say common noun in Arabic?
Uh,
Muhammad bin Ashar. Muhammad bin Ashar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. There are two types. One is common noun, proper noun. Can you please tell me that common noun in Arabic? What do we say?
Common noun. Nakira.
Yes, isme nakira. Second proper noun is
Ma'arifa.
isme ma'arifa. Yes. Gender. How many gender?
There are two genders.
Name them.
Muzakkar and Muannas.
Yes. In English,
Female, masculine and then female.
masculine and feminine gender. And there are status. How many status?
4 status.
Name them.
What is it called?
4 status. I did not see 4 status.
Sorry, 3 status. Sorry.
Okay, name them.
Majroor, Mansoob.
You're taking too much
Sorry,
time. Don't take too much time, please.
Mansoob, Majroor. Sorry, Majroor, Mansoob, and Marfu.
Okay, you have to think again and then I will come back. Okay. Ubaid,
Yes.
properties of ism. How many?
4.
Name them.
Number, gender, type, status,
In Arabic.
adad, jins, qism, Arab.
Okay. Adad. How many types number can be? If we say adad, adad can be 1, 2, 3. What are those
2.
things?
2,
No, adad can be
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Brother Riza.
Did you call me better there?
Yeah, brother Riza. Long time I could not hear you. Can you please
Hello?
tell me number can be? When we say properties of ism, there are 4 properties of ism: number, gender, type, and status. Number can be singular. I think Tanjeen.
Number can be
Yes.
singular
Yes.
or dual or plural.
Very good. And plural have how many types?
Plural, 2.
Name them.
Solid and broken.
Say solid plural
Solid
and
plural
broken
and
plural.
broken plural.
Okay, broken plural have 2 things. They are
It has to be, it can either be human or non-human.
very good. And okay, how many status for an ism can be? Status can be?
Heavy or light.
No. First, tell me how many status.
Majroor,
status.
mansoob,
Marfu,
marfu,
mansoob, and majroor.
marfu, mansoob, majroor.
There are more explanation we have started yesterday that it
Heavy
can be.
versus light.
It can be heavy, it can be light. Why it can be light? There are 4 reasons. Brother Naeem will be tell us about the reason. Naeem bhai?
Yeah.
Heavy and light. For the light, there are 4 reasons. What are those?
What reason is for the heavy or for the light?
I did not see any reason for the heavy. Heavy is yes, it
They
will
don't
be
have a reason.
Musliman. There will be the normal form will be the heavy form, but we
Yes.
sometimes we have to make them light. Why we should make them light?
There are the 4 reasons
Yes,
light.
say
It's a
them.
partially flexible
Yes,
and mudaf always light.
yeah. In case of mudaf,
In
mudaf
case
ilayhi,
of
mudaf is light.
mudaf
Yes,
ilayh, we make mudaf should be light.
yes.
And munada make it light For munada need a light, right?
Okay, and then
Lam nafiyatul lil jins. Always is a need a light,
and
mansub
nakra.
and nakra.
But important thing we are discussing here about it should be light. After la, the ism should be light if it is
Light.
la nafiyatul jins, and then other reason. Okay, so actually we are overall discussing this. There are two parts. One is ism we are discussing, and then we will start the fragments about the nahv. This should become in fingerprints. First thing, properties of ism. There are 4 properties of ism. What are those? And Farhan bhai, just revise them. 4 properties of ism.
Number?
Yes.
Yeah, gender, type, and status.
Status. And when we say number, number can be singular,
Dual and plural.
plural. And the plural have 2 types. What are those?
It's a solid plural and a broken plural, like
Yeah.
Jama Salim and Jama Mukassar.
Yeah. And if we just want to teach somebody that what is the difference between solemn plural and mukassar plural, like solid plural and broken plural, what is the difference?
Difference between the solid
Solid
Is-
takes the normal form, like Muslimun,
moon, yeah, Muslimun or Muslimin.
Mu'minun, Kafirun, like this. This is
Kafirun, right.
normal form. Whenever
Normal.
you want to make a plural, just un will come at the end. But broken plural does not follow the normal form, like
Like kitab is like kutab, right?
Kutab, yes.
Kalam is-
Kafir is like kuffar. Masjid is masajid. This is what we discussed there. Then we discussed gender. Gender can be 2 types.
Yes, so gender could be masculine and feminine.
Yes.
And then within feminine, we have got real feminine and fake feminine.
Yeah, real feminine and non-real feminine. Any one non-real feminine reason for Anbay, if you remember.
Like it could be body parts.
Very good. Number 1. Any
Number
other?
1. Colors.
Colors. Yes.
Name of colors.
And the most important is when ta marbuta comes at the end.
Tamarbuta, yes.
And
comes-
there are other, you know that.
yes,
and-
and it's
And
with
what
the
about
field.
real feminine? Real feminine is?
The real feminine is like they're like biological reasons.
Yeah,
one of-
biological reason. Yes.
Right. Like
Yes,
your daughter
bro-
Bint,
yeah.
right? Or
Thank
your sister.
Bent, Zawj. Zawja. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is, thank you very much. So this is what that we have to do. Qisam, common noun, isme nakra and isme marfa. When we put al and there are other reason we have discussed, just we have to go there. There are some reason for non-real feminine and some reason to make proper noun. Already written. Examples are there. Just it needs 5 to 10 minutes. Please, brothers, just focus here. We are going to finish this part 1 of this Nahav and for the ism basically. Then we started with the status. There are 3 status: marfu, mansub, and majroor. And they can be, there will be marfu, mansub, we should have, it can be heavy, it can be light. And for the heavy and light, yesterday we discussed about this. Like here, if we say Rasulaini, this is first question is, what is the status of this? I will go to Safi. What is the status of this Rasulaini? When the question is status, we should have 3 things: marfu, mansub, and majroor. So my question is, what is this? This is marfu, mansub, or majroor? Rasulaini. Question is from Safi.
It's majroor.
It's majroor and also
Mansub.
mansub. It can be mansub, it can be majroor, but we will know that reason when we will see in the ayah or practical. We'll see there will be reason that it is mansub or majroor, but this time we can say this is mansub and majroor. Next question from Safi. This is heavy or light?
It's heavy.
Heavy. If I want to make it light due to some reason, what
You
it will be the light
you
form?
remove noon. So it's
Very
pressing
good.
noon.
Thank you, Safi. But Brother Riza, mic is okay. I can go to you.
Sure, brother. Yes.
Thank you very
yes.
much, Brother Raza. It's long time we could not hear you. We are real missing.
Yeah, busy, brother.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's come here. Munafiqi. First, let
Yeah.
us say that its status is mansub, marfu, or majroor.
منافقي can be مجرور or منصوب.
Okay, Muna, okay. Next question is, it is light or heavy?
This is light
Light.
because
This is
noon is dropped.
known is drop. Thank you very much.
You're
Okay, now I will go to brother Dr. Iqbal Shahid.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, Iqbal bhai. Iqbal bhai, ayatin. What is the status? Mansoob, marfu or majroor?
Ayati is majroor.
Majroor. And what will
And
be
it's
the
light.
mansoob?
What's that?
What will be the mansoob for ayati?
Mansoob is ayata.
And it's not ayati, jannatin, jannatin, I think. Like here, if you see here, can you please see this? Muslimatun.
Yes.
And then mansoob will be?
Muslimati
And
and
majroor will be?
Muslimati. Yes.
Muslimati, yes. And similarly, ayati can be mansoob or majroor. That's
Right.
it. Next question is heavy or light?
It's light.
It's light. Okay. Next, I will go. Thank you, Iqbal bhai. Brother Ash'ar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Ashar bhai. Okay. Al-mu'minuna. What is the status?
It is mansoob.
Okay. Next question. If I go to the properties of ism, there are how many properties of ism? First is?
4.
First is?
Number.
Okay. Number can be?
Number can be singular, dual, or plural.
What about this? Is it singular, plural, or dual?
This is plural.
Plural. How many types of plural?
There are 2 types of plural: solid plural and broken plural.
What about this? Is it solid plural or broken plural?
This is solid plural.
Solid plural, because it follows the normal form.
The normal
Plural.
pattern.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next is about gender. Muzakkir or muannas. This is
This is muzakkar.
muzakkar. Okay. Next is about the status. How many status are there? There are.
There are 3 status:
What are those?
marfu, mansoob, and majroor.
Okay. What about this? It is marfu, mansoob, or majroor?
This is marfu.
Marfu. Okay. After status, we discussed that it is heavy or light.
And this is light.
Heavy.
Okay. If you say this is light, we have to go back.
Okay.
Okay. See here.
Yeah.
So.
Yes. The Muslim. It is heavy. Yes.
Okay. Al-mu'minuna is heavy. If
Heavy,
I ask you to make it light,
Al-mu'minu.
where is al? Al does not affect anything in heavy and light. Al-mu'minu.
Al-mu'minu. Yes.
Yes.
This is light.
We just thank you, Ashar bhai. Thank you for answering all these questions. And this is just a revision. Actually, we are not. There is no test, nothing else. Just we have to. The point is that we take one example and apply everything, and it will be easy, inshallah. And if it is not easy, we have to say, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi yassir, wa la tu'assir, Rabbi wa tammim bil khair, inshallah. And this knowledge will become easy, inshallah. Just we need some time. So al is basically just many times it is written that al don't like tanween. That's it.
Yes. Okay.
There is no about this. So this is, if you want to make light, just drop the noon. Okay, thank you very much. So this is what, yes, okay, Ashar bhai, can you please repeat the reason to be light? Why we need sometime light?
Okay, so there are 4 reasons. One is partly flexible.
For all partly flexible things,
Flexible,
we will discuss today about flexibility, that this is always, this is what?
Always
It will
light.
be light.
Yeah.
If I say, I will never see Fir'aunun, Fir'aunin, it will be light, singular, haraka. Okay, second reason?
The second is mudaf. When there is mudaf ilayh, so mudaf always light.
Mudaf always light. Okay, so mudaf is always will be light. Mudaf is the first part basically. So mudaf will always be light. Okay, next is?
Next is munada, when we call someone like ya, when ya waladu. So waladu is light here.
Waladu. Whenever there will be ya after that, we use to light thing. Light, we know that in singular one, tanween will be changed into haraka. And also in other cases, we saw that in dual and plural, noon will be dropped. Okay, and also what?
The last is the la nafiyatul lil jins.
Yeah, okay.
So whenever
After
any
la, if
whenever
la.
ism comes after la,
Yeah. See,
so
la
it is
nafiyatul jins is basically strongest negation. Whenever we have this la for the stronger, there is absolutely no God. So after such type of la, the things whatever will come, that will be light. We know that, we will see it, that it should be nakira, it is mansub and like that, but we are discussing about heavy and light, so it should be light. Thank you, Ashar bhai. So next thing we are discussing today, the status. We know that there are three status, that is marfu, mansub and majroor, and then they can be heavy and light. Second thing we will see, that flexibility of the status. Flexibility will be, there are three things whenever we say flexible. They can be, ism, status of ism can be fully flexible, non-flexible and partly flexible. Fully flexible, munsarif. Munsarif means the thing which can move around, whole movement. Non-flexible, mabna. This is, there it will never, no flexibility at all. Like, let's say fully flexible. If I say Javed bhai, Muslimun, can you please tell me marfu, mansub and majroor of Muslimu?
Muslimun,
Yes.
Muslimin, Musliman and Muslimin.
So you said
Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi.
Okay, you said u, a, e, on,
Yes.
and in, all three types. So such three types, whenever some ism which have all three type of flexibility separate, they have marfu, mansub, majroor, all these three form will be separate. It will be fully flexible, as Javed bhai said. You will see many examples in which mansub, marfu and majroor, they are always will be same. There will be no change in mansub, marfu, but there is, we will try to find that it is marfu or mansub or majroor due to some reason, but it will have the always same form. We will see it. The third thing is partly flexible. We have seen some ghair munsarif, partially flexible. It can be marfu will be there, might be mansub and majroor will be same. It can be, it might have two forms. It has only one form. And fully flexible, it will have all three forms. So first, everybody, I think, so this is fully flexible, all three forms. Non-flexible, only one.
Only one.
Yeah. And partially flexible will be two.
Marfu or mansub only.
Okay, now next we will go that, please. Noun that show all three status, like Javed bhai told, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. This is all three status. Whatever noun will show that, they are called full. They are, please let me go. Fully flexible. Non-flexible will be, don't show their marfu or majroor or mansub. We will not see. There will be only one form. There will be only one form for that. And we will see what are those. We will not see that. It will have all three forms, but we have to recognize that at this time it is used as marfu, mansub or majroor. And let's see the example for those. For this, we know that. Okay, now, very interesting that what are those ism which have all three forms together? Number one, words that end with alif or alif maksura. This ya is actually, we say it in Arabic, in Indo-Pak, we normally say it alif maksura, but there is no ya maksura, but there is nothing like that. This is alif maksura, this ya. So whenever there is this type of ya, or alif will end come. So words that end with alif or alif maksura, they are non-flexible. They're like Yahya. If I say, what about Yah? What will be the form of Yahya of marfu, mansub or majroor? Yahya, Yahya, Yahya. Musa, Musa, Musa. Dunya, Dunya, Dunya. All isma masula. This is not dual. Isma masula, like allazi, the one who, allazina, those who, allati and allati, they will be non-flexible. If I say allazina is tanjeen,
Yeah.
Tanjeen, tell me marfu for alladhina.
How about no?
This is alladhina because we say that this is non-flexible. So allazina is also marfu. What is mansub? Allazina. What is majrur? Allazina. That's why.
Alladina. What about alladuna?
There is no allazuna. Okay, you will never see that. Only allazina, allazina,
Like
allazina.
all three cases, like marfu, mansub, majroor.
Yeah. Okay. What about Musa? What is
Musa.
marfu or Musa? Musa.
Musa.
Mansub.
Musa.
Majrur.
Musa.
How you will recognize such word? They end with alif maksura and alif. And second
Yeah.
is alladhi, alladhina. These are very fixed. And then isma ishara. Ibrahim Farhan is there? Yeah, Ibrahim.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, Ibrahim. Yes, we are talking about flexibility. There are three types of flexibility. Can you please repeat fully?
Munsarif, mabni, and غير munsarif.
Say in English.
Fully flexible, non-flexible, flexible.
And partially flexible. If I ask you, if someone asks you that what you discussed today in the class, you will say that we said fully flexible, non-flexible, and partially flexible. Can you please differentiate just in one sentence? What is fully flexible?
In fully flexibles, nouns that show all three statuses, like
These status mean
mansub, majroor,
and marfu, all three will be there. And non-flexible,
don't show the marfu.
only one shape they have.
Only
Okay,
one.
like Musa, 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 alladhi, 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 and also isme ishara, hada, hada, and all pronoun, either they are attached or detached. Huwa, hum. What is the majroor form of anta? Ya Ibrahim.
Antu.
What we are discussing, non-flexible.
Anta.
Anta. Majroor.
Antu.
No, what is non-flexible?
Don't show the
Anta. Okay, now Ibrahim again. Question from you. Ana. What is marfu?
Ana.
What is mansub?
Ana.
What is majroor?
Ana.
Why?
Because it stays the same because it's not flexible.
Non-flexible. So there are four things for non-flexible. What first is words that
Words that don't show words that end with alif.
or
Alif maksura.
This Yahya, this Ya is called alif maksura, Musa. Second is
السماء سماء موصولة.
yes. What are those?
الذي
Allati. Okay. What is the difference? Alladhi means
the one who.
Allati.
Those who.
No.
The one who.
The one who for feminine.
The one who for feminine.
And what is those who?
الذين.
Good. Okay, and then we have isma ishara, all they are mabni, non-flexible. And then we have like pronouns, attached or detached. Then we have partially flexible.
Yes.
Partially flexible. Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. Partially flexible means they will have two forms. First is all three forms. Second is only one form, that is non-flexible, mabni. Ghair munsarif, partially flexible, which have two names. First thing is, and there are actually they are just listed down here. Very easy. Name of places. They will have two forms, like Madinatu, Madinata, Madinata. Makkatu, Makkata, Makkata. Okay, but there is exception for three letters name. They are fully flexible. If name of place is three letter, that will be fully flexible. Otherwise, that will be name of places will be this will be partially flexible. Safi.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about Madinatu. It is marfu, mansub, or majroor?
Madinatu. It's marfu.
Okay, what is mansub of Madinatu?
Medina,
Yes. Try. Just try to.
Medina 2.
No. This is what, in which category it falls.
Partially flexible.
Yeah, partly flexible there. So what will be the mansub of Madina to?
Madinata.
And what is majroor?
Madinata.
Very good. What about Makkah to?
Makkatu. Makkata.
Very good. But there is exception for 3 letters name like Adnun, Adnan, Adnin. These 3 letters name, they will be fully flexible. They will come in the first category. Thank you, Safi. Next.
But brother, sorry, excuse me. This Makkah is also 3-letter word then. No, is it not?
Okay, let's count.
Oh, there is Dhamma in between. Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Thank
Sorry.
you, Javed bhai. Thank you for pointing out. It clears for many, even just points out for every. Thank you very much, Javed bhai. Okay, Javed bhai, let's go for with you. No problem. Non-Arab names will be partly flexible. Exception will be in 3 letters name. Non-Arab name, like we discussed yesterday. Fir'auna. So can you please tell me about Javed bhai here? What will be marfu for this? Fir'aun.
Oh, Firaun.
Non-Arab names will be
But they don't change. They stay the same marfu, majroor, or something, right?
If it is stay same, I will put it here in
Right.
non-flexible. But
So
I am
Fir'aunu and Fir'auna.
Yes, Firaunu, Firauna. And also yesterday we discussed one more thing, that they will always be light.
Yeah, they will not have any tanween.
What about Ibrahim?
Ibrahimu is the marfu state, and Ibrahima will be the majroor and mansub.
Why it is?
Because there are non-Arab names.
So they will be part. But there is exception for
No
3 letters name.
3 letters.
Okay. Next is Arab names. What about Arab names?
So
Arab
Salihun,
names.
they all have tanween.
Yeah, all tanween by default.
Yeah.
All Arab names will be fully flexible. Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Salihun, Salihan, Salihan. They will be fully flexible. Comes here. This blue line, they all comes here. These are exceptions. Okay, thank you, Javed bhai. Next is all feminine names. All feminine names, they are partially flexible. Aisha tu, Aishata. Maryamu, Maryama. All isme tabdeel, Akbaru, Akbara. Ahsanu, Ahsana, Ahsana. Ajmalu, Ajmala, Ajmala. Body defects, they will be partial flexible. Color names and broken plural with alif in it. Masajid, Manazil, Anbiya, Masabih. If there is a alif, they will be partially flexible. So today we discussed fully flexible, non-flexible, partly flexible. Next week, inshallah, we will just continue with it, and it will finish the ISAM, and then we will.
I was gonna say, aren't we supposed to be in the next session right now?
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Tanjin, don't worry about these things.
Okay.
Just listen and just act upon that. Okay. Thank you.